What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the Next Moon YT channel. It's winter time, and this is a common sight for a lot of cars. The owners put their wipers up like this when there's snow in the forecast. They do this to keep the blades from freezing to the windshield or making it hard to clear the windshield later on. But this is a bad idea. Don't do this. This will ruin your wipers. Stay tuned on a better way of saving your wipers. So raising your wiper blades up like this overnight for a long extended time is a bad idea. Why? Because of this. I'll show you a close-up. So this is what the underside of your wiper arm looks like. It has a long spring, and what the spring does is provide tension to press your wiper blade against your windshield to do the wiping motion. When you put up the wiper arm, you have to hyperextend. It'll be like this. And underneath, you'll see that the spring is overstretched. So this will weaken your spring over time if you keep doing this over and over during the winter time. So this will affect the pressure that's applied to your windshield to give you a clean swipe with the wiper blades. So I'll show you a better method. So here's a better method. What you need is a pool noodle and a marker or a pencil. And what you do is place it against your windshield and measure the length of the wiper blade. So I made a mark to measure the length of my wiper blade. It doesn't have to be very precise. Just make sure it's a little longer than your actual wiper blade. And we'll slice this open. And you can always reverse the wiper blade and do, with the remaining length, measure the other side of your wiper blade. So you can do 2 wipers. So I went ahead and cut the pool noodle into the length I needed. And the last step is to just draw a horizontal line all the way across. And you're gonna slice the noodle in half. So you'll be slicing through one end, but leaving the other one. So I've gone and cut the horizontal incision, and now you can see it'll look like this. So the last step is just to take this noodle and slide it through your arm, your wiper arm, and your wiper arm will just come out through this slit. So now your wiper arm is protected from the snow, and it will not freeze against the glass. And you can just pick it up later on to clean your windshield without any problems. And the color will just give you easier idea of where your wiper blades are. So let me put on the other side too. So my noodle has been installed, and I've turned the noodle to face down a little bit to prevent to give it more protection from the snow elements. So as you can see, I'm ready for the snowstorm. This is another winter hack from Next Moon YT. I hope you find this useful. If you do, please give it a like. Please share with your friends and your family. And I'll see you on the next video.